Hi, my name is Matt. I'm an artist, an illustrator, and a teacher. Unfortunately, many people believe that drawing is a talent that you either have or you don't. Fortunately, however, this simply isn't true. You see, drawing is a skill that can be learned and developed by anyone. It simply takes knowledge and practice. As an educator, I've been fortunate to watch my students grow and develop as artists, reaching their full potential in drawing. I wanted to create a course that would help others, just like I've been able to help my own students. A no-nonsense approach to learning how to draw, one that focused on the core concepts to learning how to see as an artist. The Secrets to Drawing was developed to be a fully comprehensive program for learning how to draw in your own style with your own artistic expression. This isn't a specialty course where you just learn one medium or one technique. Instead, it's truly comprehensive, covering everything from the basics, including the elements of art, perspective, figure drawing, portraiture, landscape drawing, and more, but it also covers many different mediums, including graphite, pen and ink, charcoal, colored pencils, soft pastels, oil pastels, and more. The Secrets to Drawing video course features over 5 hours of high-definition video, all broken down into 28 total modules that are logically sequenced. That's over 300 minutes of video instruction. I'll walk you through the elements and principles of art and how artists use them in their drawings, as well as how to create the illusion of space, perspective, basic drawing techniques, drawing from life, drawing from photos, how to create a strong composition, facial proportions, portraiture, and figure drawing, all while covering the mediums of graphite, charcoal, pen and ink, colored pencils, oil pastels, and soft pastels. Now, I understand that not everyone learns from just watching videos, so that's why ebooks are included as well. Each module includes a corresponding ebook to help you learn more efficiently. Each process, technique, or medium is broken down into photographs with written explanation. There are a total of 26 ebooks with the course that combine for 178 pages with 498 color illustrations. Now, I also wanted to make the course affordable, so you get the entire program for just $30 with nothing more to purchase ever. That's right, just $30. And there's a 60-day money-back guarantee. So for whatever reason, if you're not completely happy, just contact me and I'll be glad to refund your money with no questions asked. Whether you've been drawing for a while or if you're just starting out, I'm sure you'll find that this program equips you with the knowledge necessary to take your skills to the next level.